DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. How are you students? I hope you all are doing great. Today again, I need you all to take a next new lesson. Are you all excited to know the today's lesson? Okay, but before going to start today's lesson, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
In today's lesson, we are going to learn down the nearest large numbers to tens, hundreds, and thousands. At first, I am going to share today's learning intention and success criteria. Today's learning intention. Today we are going to learn about estimate and round of large numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. Our success criteria is we will be star if you can able to estimate and round of large numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. Students, did anyone know what is rounding? Okay, let's see the definition of rounding and what is rounding. In mathematics, rounding means making a number simple but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate but easier to use. So here is the example of rounding. 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70 because 73 is closer to 70 than to 80. Now I am going to share the vocabularies of estimation and rounding. The first one is guess. Estimate, nearest, round, and roughly. These all words are the vocabularies of estimation and rounding. Students, did anyone know what this number line tells us or describe? Okay, let's see. This is very important picture or number line when we are going to round up large numbers to the nearest place values. First look at the down numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers are less than 5. Okay, if the digits in the unit place is less than 5, replace the digits by 0 and remain as they are. For example, round off nearest 235,482 to the nearest 10. At first, students, you have to find out the place value and the next number. In this number, the place value of 10 is 8 and the next number is 2, right? So you have to circle 8 and underline 2 and then you have to round nearest 10. Okay, the 2 is less than 5, right? So you have to write 235,480 because 2 are less than 5, so you have to write by replacing 2 you have to write 0. Okay students, okay, now let's see the round up numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers are more than 5. If the digits in the units place is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the digits in the tens place and replace the digits as the units place with 0. Okay, students, look at this example. 643,237. Round to the nearest 10. Same way, first you have to find the place value and next number. First you have to circle the place value. The place value of this 10th place is 3. The next number is 7. So you have to circle 3, underline 7. Okay, now let's look to the next number. Students, 7 is less than 5 or more than 5? Yes, very good. 7 is more than 5, right? So you have to add 1 to the digits in tens place. The answer is 643,240 because the 7 is more than 5 numbers. So you have to add 1 to 3 and write 40. Students, now I am going to explain how to round large numbers. So, at first I am going to share a poem. This poem will help to round the large numbers to the place values. Okay, now let's see the poem. At first, find your place. The second, look next to a number. 5 or greater, add 1 more. 5 or less, just ignore. Now let's see the examples. Round to nearest 10. The first number is 63. Okay, students, let's find the numbers to the nearest 10. So you have to first find the place value. 63. The place value of tens is 6, right? So you have to circle the. So now you have to look the next number. The next number is 3. So you have to underline the 3. And then you have to look. The 3 is less than 5 or more than 5. Okay, so the 3 is less than 5. So you have to just ignore, right? So you have to write 3 replaced by 0. So the answer is 60. Okay, now look at the second one. 128. 128. At first, you have to find the place value. The place value of the 10th is 2. So you have to circle 2 and look at the next number. The number is 8. You have to underline 8 and then see whether the 8 is greater than or less than. Very good. The 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the in the 10th digit place. So you have to write 130. So now let's see the second example. In this example, you have to round to nearest 100. Okay, look at the first one. 475. Okay, look at the poem and find the answer. First, you have to find the place value. The place value of 100 is 4. So you have to circle 4 and then look at the next number. The next number is 7. So underline 7 and find the answer. The 7 is greater than or less than. Very good. 7 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the nearest hundreds place. So the answer is 500. Look at the second one. 7435. Students, in this number, which number is the place value of 100? Very good, 4. So you have to circle 4. And which number is the next number to the right? Very good, 3. So you have to underline 3, and then you have to look whether 3 is less than 5 number or more than 5. Very good, 3 is less than. So you have to ignore 3 and 5. Okay, so you have to write 7400. The answer is 7000. Students, now let's look at these questions. In this question, you are going to round off 4257 to the nearest 10. So you have to round this number to nearest 10. Students, did you remember the poem? Okay, let's do. Students, can you tell me which number is in tens place? Very good. 5 is in tens place. So you have to circle it. Okay. Now look at the next number. Which number is next? Very good. You have to look at the right side of the number. So the right side of the number is 7, and you have to underline it. Okay. And then you are going to round this number to nearest 10. Okay. After that, you have to look whether the right side of the number is less than 5 or more than 5. So the 7 is less than or more than 5. Very good. 7 is more than 5, right? So you have to add 1 to tens place. So the answer is 4260. Very good. Okay, now let's see the second question. Rounding off 334,121. So this one is also you are going to round nearest 10. At first, you have to find the place value. The place value of 10 is 2. So you have to circle 2, and the next number is 1. Very good. You have to look at the right side. Okay. The right side 1 you have to underline. And then round the number to nearest 10. Students, the 1 is more than 5 or less than 5? Very good. 1 is less than 5. So you have to write 1. Replacing by 1, you have to write 0. Okay, the answer is 334,120. Very good. Students, look at this number. This number you have to do in a number line. Rounding of 136 to the nearest 10. At first, you have to do a number line. After that, write the digits. You have to start with 130 up to 140. Right? 131, 132. Like you have to continue to write the numbers. After that, you have to look 136 is near to 140 or then 130. When you round the nearest 10, 136 is near to 140, right? Very good. Students, look at these questions. In this question, you are going to round off nearest the 100. Look at the first question. Rounding of 1243 to the nearest 100. So at first you have to find the place value and then look at the next number. You have to circle place value and underline it the next number. Which number is in hundreds place? Very good. 2. So you have to circle it. Which number is next then? 2. Very good. 3. You have to underline 3. And then can you tell me the answer of this number? Very good. 1200. Why did the answer is 1200? Very good, because 3 is less than 5. So we have to write 0, 0. Very good. Look at the next question. 715,457. In this question or this number also, first you have to find the place value. Which number is in hundreds place in this number? Very good, 4. So you have to circle 4. Which number is next to 4? Very good, 5. So you have to underline 5. Okay, students, can you round off this number to the 100 and tell me the answer? Okay, let's see the answer. 715,500. Students, are you all got correct answer? Very good. Students, now look at this number. Rounding off 1840 to the nearest 100 by using number line. At first we are going to draw a number line and then write the digits. Now let's write the digits. Okay. At first we are going to start 1800 and end up 1900. Start 1800, 1810, 1820, like that you have to continue. And then look at which number is in hundreds place. Which number is in hundreds place? Very good, 8. And then look at the next number. The next number is 4. Very good. 4 is less than 5 or more than 5? Very good. The 4 is less than 5. Okay, now tell me, students, by looking this number line, can you tell 1840 is near to 1800 or 1900? Which number is near to 1840? Very good. 1840 is near to 1800. When we round off to the nearest 100, the answer is 1800. Okay, students, in this time you are going to round off nearest 1000. First I am going to give a number. In this time you have to do in your own. Okay. This is the number. You have to find out the nearest 1000. I will give 2 minutes to do. Okay. Okay, let's check the answer. Students, in this number, which number is in thousands place? Very good, 7. You have to circle it, right? Did you all circle the thousands place? Okay, very good. Now tell me which number is in next to 7? Very good, 8. You have to underline it, right? Okay. Now this is the answer. Are you all got the correct answer? Very good. Now look at the second one. This number also you have to do in your own. Okay, students. I will give 2 minutes to do. Okay, now let's check the answer. This is the answer. Students, are you all correct? Okay, well done. Okay, students, this time also you have to do in number line. Can you do this number? Okay, I will give 2 minutes. Okay? Okay, now let's the answer. This is the answer. Did you all got the correct answer? Can you tell me which number is near? 45,329, 45,000 or 46,000? Very good. 45,329 is near to 45,000, right? Because the 3 is less than 5. So we are going to replace 3 to 0. So you have to, the answer is 45,000 when we are going to round off nearest 1000. Students, now let's have some fun. Okay, this is your quiz time. Now I am going to show a first question. Rounding off 781 to the nearest 10. I will show options. You have to tell the correct answer. Okay? This number you are going to round off nearest 10. Option A 790. Option B 780. Option C 700. Which letter is the correct letter? A, B or C? Very good. Option B 780. Okay, students, now look at the second question. Rounding of 45,261 to the nearest 100. This time you are going to round off this number to nearest 100. Okay, here is the options. Option A 45,300. Option B 45,200. Option C 45,201. Which number is the correct number? Very good. Option A. Okay, students, now look at this number. Rounding off 118,521 to the nearest 1000. Here's the option. Option A 118,500, 119,000, 118,000. Which number is the correct number? Very good. Option B. Okay, students. In this question, you have to tell by looking the number line. Okay? Okay. Which point shows 238 on the number line? Here's the options. Option A, option B, option C. And this is the number line. By seeing this number line, you have to tell the answer. Okay? 230 is 38. Which point? Okay. A, B or C? Very good. Point B. And now tell me, can you round this number to the nearest 100? Very good. The answer is 200. Okay, students, this is the last question. Draw an arrow to match each number to nearest 1000. You have seen numbers. This is the answers of the numbers. Look, now I am going to show the numbers. Look at the first one. 2,945. The second one, 712,356. The third one, 17,600. Fourth, 15,932. Fifth, 38,721. Sixth, 623,123. Now you have to do is you have to find out the answers. You have to find the nearest 1000. Look at the first one. Can you tell me the answer of the first one? Very good. 3000. Okay, now tell me the second one. 712,356. Very good. 712,000. Okay, look at the third one. 17,600. Can you find out the answer of this number? Very good. 18,000. Now look at the fourth one. 15,932. Very good. 16,000. 338,721. Can you find? Okay, very good. 39,000. The last, 623,000. Very good. Okay, students, now this is your activity time. Take Mathematics 5A workbook. Open page number 13. Do exercise in 1.4. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do remember to write the date. Take a pictures of your work and send it to your class teacher. Okay students, before going to end up today's lesson, let's recall today's success criteria. In today's lesson, we are going to able to round the large numbers to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. I hope you all achieve today's success criteria. Okay students, this is the time to conclude today's lesson. I hope you all enjoy today's lesson. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.
DPS, TeleClass,